Hi, good day. I'm Harvey, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I'll show you the 5 standard cuts of whole wrist chicken. But before I proceed to cutting, let me show how sharpen my knife using my honing steel. These are the 5 standard cuts of whole wrist chicken. The backbone, the breast, the drumstick, the thigh, and the wings. That's all. Thank you.